हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ग्लोबल एकेडमी। एमसीक्यू सीरीज़ ऑन बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर एप्लीकेशन हम ऑलरेडी शुरू कर चुके हैं। इससे पहले हम मोर देन 600 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी अपलोड कर चुके हैं इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड, यानी बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर से रिलेटेड। तो आज हम एम एस एक्सेल पे एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। एम एस एक्सेल, इट इज़ अ spreadsheet program. B part. Formulas in Excel start with equal to. C part. The software which contains rows and columns is called spreadsheet. The cell reference for cell range of A2 to M12 is A to M12. A2 is to M12. Next question. Which of the following method will not enter data in a cell? Press the escape key. When we will press the escape key, it will not enter data in the cell. Next, formatting a cell in currency. You can specify currency symbol. Which function will you use to enter current time in a worksheet cell? Equal to now and breaks. ये दोनों ब्रैक्स यूज़ करनी है, तो it will use to enter current time in a worksheet cell. Which of the following format you can decide to apply or not in auto format dialog box? All the above. Format, font format, number format, and border format. Next question. When all the numbers between 0 and 100 in a range should be displayed in red colors, apply conditional formatting command on home tab. What is entered by the function equal to today and breaks? तो इसका है द डाटा वैल्यू फॉर द डे अकॉर्डिंग टू सिस्टम क्लॉक. You can check the conditions against dash dash when apply conditional formatting. Formula and cell value, both the above. What is the shortcut key to replace a data with another in sheet? Control plus H. Which of the following you can paste selectively using paste special command? Formats, validation, formulas, all the above. Long text can be broken down into many lines within a cell. You can do this through wrap text. Getting data from a cell located in a different sheet is called referencing. Comments put in cell are called cell tip. Which of the following is not valid data type in Excel? Character, it is not a valid data type in Excel. Others, they are all. Number and label, it is a valid data type in Excel. Which area in Excel window allows entering values and formulas? Formula bar. Multiple calculations can be made in a single formula using array formula. An Excel workbook is a collection of workbooks and worksheets, both A and B. To return the remainder after a number is divided by a divisor in Excel, we use the function mode and breaks. Which function is not available in the consolidate dialog box? PMT. It's not available in the consolidate dialog box. How do you rearrange the data in ascending or descending order? Data and sort. Excel displays the current cell address in name box. What is the intersection of column and row on a worksheet? Called cell. What type of chart is useful for comparing values or categories? Column chart. Which function Excel tells how many numeric entries are there? Count. A feature that displays only the data in columns according to specified criteria is filtering. A feature that displays only the data in columns according to specified criteria. Filtering. What type of chart will you use to compare performance of two employees in year 2016? Line chart. Which one is not a function in Excel? AVG. It is not a function in Excel. Functions in MS Excel must begin with An equal sign. Which function Excel checks whether a condition is true or not? If function. The greater than sign is an example of dash operator, logical operator. What type of chart is useful for showing trends or changes over time? Line chart. The process of arranging the items of a column in some sequence or order is called sorting. The dash feature of MS Excel quickly completes a series of autofill. What type of chart is useful for comparing parts of whole? Pie chart. In Excel, rows are labeled as 1, 2, 3, etc. B part. What do you use to create a chart? Chart wizard. D part. How will you graphically represent expenditure in different departments? Pie chart. What type of chart is good for single series of data? Pie chart. C part. The basic unit of worksheet in to which you enter data in Excel is called cell. How many sheets are there by default when we create a new Excel file? 3. In Excel, which one denoted a range from B1 through E5? B part. B1 is to E5. An Excel is generally called C. Workbook. It is a collection of data that is stored electronically as a series of records in a table database. What type of chart will you use to compare performance of sales of two products? Column chart. An Excel sheet. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is indicated by uh, a dark white border. B part. On an Excel sheet, the active cell is indicated by a dark white border. ये repeat हुआ है. Next question. What term describes explanatory text attached to a cell? Comment. How we can view a cell? Comment. Position the mouse pointer over the cell. Which of these will not select all the cells in document? C but click 3 times with the right mouse button in spreadsheet. The default style for a new data keyboard in a worksheet is normal. If you press dash, the cell accepts your typing as its content. Enter. Which of the following keyboard shortcut can be used for creating a chart from selected cells? F11. Formula palette is used to create and edit formulas containing function. A value used in a formula that doesn't change is called constant. A spreadsheet contains rows and columns. To open an existing workbook, click the open button on a dash toolbar, standard toolbar. Which among the following is not associated with spelling? Dialog box. Edit. What term describes a background that appears as a grainy, non-smooth surface? Gradient. Which among following is associated with Excel? Spreadsheet is associated with Excel. The cell reference for a range of cells that starts in cell C1 and goes over to H and down to row 10 is C1 is to H10. B part. You can convert existing Excel worksheet data and chart to HTML document by using Internet Assistant Wizard. To create an interactive pivot table for the web, you use a Microsoft Office web component called pivot table report. C part. What function displays row data in a column or column data in a row? Transpose. Accept which of the following function? A formula with a logical function shows the word true or false as a result. If. C part. Macros can be executed from the which are the following menu? Tools. Protection and protect sheet option can be selected from tools. Which of the following is not valid? Zoom percentage in Excel 500. You can check the conditions against dash when applying conditional formatting. Both the cell value and formula. How can we set page border in Excel? you cannot set border in Excel. Which function calculates your monthly mortgage payment? PMT. C part. Which type of chart can Excel produce? Bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts. B part. How is data organized in a spreadsheet? Rows and columns. VLOOKUP function used to finds a related record. How do you change column width to fit the contents? Double click the boundary to the right of the column heading. B part. To insert three columns between column A and B, you would select B. To drag a selected range of data to another worksheet in the same workbook, use Control key. You can activate a cell by pressing the tab key, clicking the cell, and pressing an arrow. All the above. A function inside another function is known as nested function. D part. What Excel features can you use if you want to work with one record at a time? Data form. Which function is used for creating a data table? Table. B part. The accounting style shows negative number in parentheses. 3D reference in a formula spans worksheets. Auto calculate feature provides a quick way to view the results of an arithmetic operation on a range of cells. Yeah, true. It is true. Which among the following wildcard characters are recognized by Excel? C. Star and interrogative mark. Which among the following divide symbol in Excel? This type. This symbol. Which function in Excel counts the number of characters in a cell? LEN. Len. Which function converts miles to kilometers? Convert. COVNERT. This function converts miles to kilometer. What is the shortcut to enter current data in a cell in Excel? Control plus. Shortcut to edit the selected cell. F2. Each Excel can contain many sheets including worksheets and chart sheets. It's a true statement. Which shortcut key can be used to switch between open worksheet? Control plus F6. Shortcut to delete the selected column. Control plus and minus. Shortcut to enter current date. Control plus and semicolon. When the formula bar is activated, you can see edit formula button, cancel button, enter button, all the above. Option D. Style sheet format can be applied from format and auto format. Which function will you use to enter current time in a worksheet cell? C. Equal to now and small brackets. Next, the name box appears at the left of the formula bar. Where are the status indicators located? They are indicated in formula bar. Insert picture option is in which of the following toolbar? It's in pictures. What terms refers to the specific set of values saved with a workbook? Scenario. We can cancel mock by pressing escape. Which of the following methods cannot be used to edit the content of cell? Press the Alt key. And it's the last question regarding MS Excel. When you use multiplication, division or exponentiation in a formula, then there is a chance of occurring rounding errors. तो ये एक ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है. तो ये थे MS Excel से रिलेटेड तमाम इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs. तो बहुत जल्दी अब हम MS PowerPoint पर भी MCQs लेकर आएंगे. ओके, थैंक्स, बेस्ट ऑफ लक एंड एज ऑलवेज गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.